Hello, welcome back to another great lesson. If today is your first time stopping by my channel, God richly bless you. If you are a returning subscriber, I am so grateful for all the love that you have been throwing behind me. Last week, I watched a video from Sweet Adjeley on how to make Gari at home. And as a fan of DIYs and one that is addicted to Gari, I decided to make my own Gari yesterday. I had about this much of the Gari, and it was very rocky because I did not grind the cassava very well, and so I used the dry part of the blender, that small one, to blend it to get this texture. Yes, that is how I got this texture. Unfortunately, the space on my phone was exhausted, so I couldn't film that one. I am so happy about this recipe because I am addicted to Gari. I used to be addicted to ayilo or shri, that clay that pregnant women crave for. That was my addiction, and so I weaned myself from it with Gari, and now Gari has come to stay. And so I consume about 6 of this in a week. Every Monday I buy the tomato cap, that is how we call it, that half olunka. I buy it because I know that if I buy more, I'll chew everything. It's not that I eat it with sugar. I don't soak it, I don't take it as a bath. I just would take like this and then throw it into my mouth. And one thing I also like about the fact that I will be making my own Gari is that the thought that I will make it, say, on Thursday, it kind of slows the addiction, the temptation, if that is the word, the crave, yes, the zeal to have the Gari. I think it slows it down because I consumed all that I had on Friday, and I was to buy one, but then I said I will make one on Sunday, and because of that I was able to pressure the desire. Yeah, I was able to tame that desire. Hey, bro, na me nim se meye bininti no afi na me kon dokra me ka share me ho say I will make one soon. With time and the grace of God, I know that I will be able to get out of this mess. And so, my dear, let's just go into the video to learn how you can also make your own Gari. I am re-watching that video to see how she blended the cassava, the consistency that she blended it to have the Gari texture. Over here I have a bowl of water that I will be peeling the cassava into. This cassava, I bought it for fufu. I always make sure that there is cassava in my house because of my love for fufu. I will not scrape the back. I'll just go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. And like she said in her video, those of us who were born and raised in Ghana, I don't know about the other African countries, this is how we chop our cassava. sometimes we add it to the corn before grilling, and this is how we do it. In most homes, the chopping board is for decoration, whereas some homes also do not have. And so this is the authentic Ghanaian way. So I am done with it. I am going to put them into these two blenders and grind them. I have gotten the texture. It should not be very smooth, else it will be a glimmer. So I will just blend. I will not pack so much into the blender, and give each of them water, not too much. I blended it for about a minute, and if I leave it like this, it's going to be too big, so I'm going to blend it so in all it's going to be about 2 minutes. And so I have a sackcloth here. I'm just going to pour everything in. So before I made it 2, but because of the quantity, I have just make it 1. Yes, now my any 2, my carbo mu 2, but my sister no about 1. So I'll continue with the blending. So I am done blending, and the next thing is to get rid of the water in it. And so this water, I will not throw it away. I will leave it for the starch to settle down. She said we can leave the cassava, the blended cassava like this for 3 days to get that bitter taste, or the sour, to get it sour. But like Nkrumah said, independence now. Meiji they so there, so I needed to satisfy a desire, so I cannot wait for the 3 days. So I'm coming to show you how I will get rid of all the liquid here. And so I have put the dough. Yes, this is the grated cassava. It is on my countertop. Don't mind me, I am panting because I went downstairs, and I have put this rubber on top because I'm going to use blocks. Yes, in her video she used something else, but this is what I have, and this is what the Gari sellers usually use. All you need is something to give it weight. So look at it, the water is just coming out like that. So the independence now, the Gari now, we are going to have it anytime soon today. So see. So I'll put these on it. I want to fasten the process. So it will be dehydrated very soon. And so this is it. It has been carrying this weight for about 3 hours, and this is the water I had from it. So I am going to pour out the water, and what I have left in the bowl is the starch. This one I can use it for my banku, or I can preserve it as starch as we have it for washing of our clothes. So I will gently take off this thing, and as you can see, there are no stones or gravels on it. She put it in the colander like this, and then passed it through like this. Yeah, this is what she did. I say frying because that is how we say it here. Chimalo one shimli. So I am going to roast, fry, whatever. I'm going to be doing that in a jiffy. And so this is it. It is gradually falling in place. Right now, who sakura now who say you are getting the Gari texture. Sweet Adjeley, thank you for this recipe. So what I have on the floor are the ones that stick. Those are the ones I have removed onto the floor. And so gradually it is falling into place. And as we all know, experience is the best teacher. So I have learned from what she said. I did not blend the cassava for long, and so mine has a bigger texture, but I will take care of that one. I like what I am seeing, and trust me, by the time I am done with all these, I would have finished chewing what I already have here. So my homemade Gari is ready. This is the first batch. Let me taste again. Did you hear that? Let me repeat. Wow, it's very hot. Let me repeat. Very crispy. Sweet Adjeley, you my job. God richly bless you for availing yourself to be used as an instrument to make our lives better. God richly bless you. I know you are going to watch this video. So I think this color is good enough. So I will take it off fire and then continue with the rest of it. So sorry about the noise. I should have done a voiceover, but how short the video or the clip is and how slow I talk, it wouldn't warrant me to have a voiceover over this video. I appreciate your support over the years, months, weeks, and days. God richly bless you. I have so many videos from my fellow content creators that I am recreating, and at the right time I'll be dropping all of them and giving each one of you a shout out. God bless you all. Stay safe. Love mankind. Bye bye.